Join us for our "'Tis the Season to Do Laundry" online auction event running now through December 23rd, only at surplusmarketplace.com. That's right, our MD Anderson Cancer Center auction out of Houston, Texas includes a number of special lots featuring MAYTAG heavy-duty washer, dryer, combination units. Auction lots C5081, 2, and 3 respectively. As mentioned, these are MAYTAG vertical washer-dryer combo units. Model number MLE20P are CYW1. They have rear vents and standard US power plugs. See auction site for further details. Lots are sold as is, where is. So from any browser, go to surplusmarketplace.com. Registration is simple and bidding made easy. Again, this auction runs through December 23rd. Get bidding before your holiday laundry gets out of control. Surplus Marketplace LLC is a Texas auction company, B.Blair license 18123.